Alex.
Thanks, Harriet. Hello there. Well, it was a fair bit of cloud first thing this morning, but we have seen some sunshine breaking through the cloud. We've got this weather front on the scene at the moment that brought the cloud, and also a brisk southwesterly wind. That's gusting at around 30 miles an hour at the moment, also dragging in a lot of warm and humid air. So over the next few days, the chance of some showers developing, particularly for tomorrow night. There could be thunderstorms developing into the early hours of Thursday, but where we get the sunshine, it is going to feel warm, particularly tomorrow. Today in the sunshine, temperatures getting to around 26 degrees, a little cooler on the coast, and increasing amounts of sunshine, I think, for the afternoon. Through the evening and overnight period, there'll be some areas of cloud and some clear spells developing, and it is going to stay pretty warm, around 14 to 16 degrees. That southwesterly wind continuing to ease down, and it will be lighter tomorrow, but it is going to drag in a lot of warm and humid air over the next 24 hours. So we're going to notice it feeling quite hot through the day tomorrow. Fair bit of cloud at first. That could produce one or two showers, but essentially tomorrow looks like a dry day with lots of sunshine out there, and it will feel very warm, up to around 28 degrees. Onshore breezes will mean it's cooler on the coast, and for the afternoon it's expected to stay dry. It's into the evening. We need to watch out for these showers pushing up from the south, and we could see some thunderstorms developing into the early hours of Thursday, so the potential is there for some localised flooding in places. And once that system is cleared, we've got another series of weather fronts for Thursday. So Thursday itself looks like it could be fairly cloudy and potentially quite wet to begin with clearing that cloud and rain clearing for the afternoon with some sunny spells. At this stage, Friday looks dry with some sunshine around, perhaps a bit of cloud to start the weekend, but you'll see those temperatures climbing into next week. We could be once more above 30 degrees. Harriet.
Thanks, Alex.
Hello. There was a fair bit of cloud across the region this morning, but also some warm sunshine. We had a weather front draped over the top of us, and that's what brought the cloud, but also it's brought some fairly warm and humid air on brisk southwesterly winds. So although the winds will ease down through the evening and overnight over the next few days, we are likely to see some showers, particularly for tomorrow night, and there could be some thunderstorms that develop. But where we get the sunshine, feeling very warm, particularly tomorrow, temperatures could be in the high 20s. Now into the evening and overnight, the winds continue to ease down. There'll be some clear sky initially, but some areas of cloud during the course of the night. And for most of us, temperatures are going to stay anywhere between 14 and 16 degrees, so fairly warm night. So into tomorrow, we start the day with this weather front still draped over the top of us. That southwesterly wind continuing, although it won't be quite so strong, it will drag up that quite hot and humid air. So through the day, it's going to feel quite warm and humid. Could be a fair bit of cloud at first, perhaps one or two showers, but some decent spells of sunshine into the afternoon. And where we get the sunshine, it is going to be quite hot, so temperatures around 28 degrees for some of us, and with an onshore breeze it will be cooler on the coast. Now it stays dry for the afternoon, but it's into the evening and overnight we're likely to see some showers developing from the south, so there could be some thunderstorms into the early hours of Thursday morning, and that could produce some localised flooding in places. Once that system is out of the way, we've got another series of weather fronts pushing in from the west, so we're expecting Thursday to be fairly cloudy at first, with some further outbreaks of rain, although some sunshine will break through the cloud into the afternoon. It is expected to clear up. And Friday at this stage looks dry with some sunny spells, a little warmer and still quite warm for the start of the week. And even though there is likely to be a fair bit of cloud around at first, and then we'll see those temperatures rising into next week, could be over 30 degrees once more. In terms of overnight temperatures, though not the most comfortable nights, temperatures around 14 or 15 degrees over the next few nights. Coolest night on the chart around Thursday night. So watch out for the thunderstorms Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Hello, a warm and humid evening and night expected. A fair bit of cloud around, some clear spells. The wind's easing down to a light southwesterly, but for most of us, temperatures will not drop below 14 or 15 degrees. The reason for this is the southwesterly winds today have dragged up some fairly warm and humid air. We'll still have this weather front on the scene tomorrow, so we could see a fair bit of cloud at first, possibly one or two showers, but essentially quite a lot of dry weather tomorrow and some warm sunshine, lifting our temperatures to the high 20s, 27 or 28 degrees, cooler on the coast with onshore breezes. And for tomorrow afternoon, it stays dry, but into the evening and overnight, we could see some heavy showers and thunderstorms pushing up from the south, and they could be around by first thing on Thursday. Thursday itself looks fairly cloudy with some outbreaks of rain clearing to the east, and then largely dry, temperatures soaring into next week.